Windows 11 has tons of customization and settings, and sometimes you can mess them up, which can cause problems, especially if it's with your mouse. My name is Abdullah. You're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can reset your mouse settings in Windows 11. So the first thing that we're going to do is opening up the Start menu and searching for Control Panel. Go ahead and click that. Once you're here, click on the View by section and switch it to Small Icons, and in here we are going to select Mouse. This will open up mouse properties for our PC. Now, there is no option to set everything to default right away. So for example, if you go to pointer options, your pointer speed will be what it is. So the default value for this is right in the middle of this slider. And these are all default settings, but I haven't changed them in any way, shape or form at the moment. Of course, wheel scrolling and horizontal scrolling. So how many characters you want to scroll, the hardware tab you're not going to touch. What you can switch to default with one button are the pointers. So I'm using a custom pointer theme, but if I want to revert to the Windows default theme, so if I click on this and go all the way down to Windows default, as you can see, all of the mouse cursors have changed to the default Windows 10 cursors. Not really a big fan of this, so I don't use this a lot, but if you want to switch, if you switched your mouse pointer to something silly and you can't find your way back, this is a very quick and easy way of resetting your mouse pointer. Once you're done with this, go ahead and click on Apply. And there we go. Well, the mouse pointer has now been reset. If I want to just quickly switch back to my main theme. Okay, and that's it. If you want to customize individual icons or individual pointers for different things and reset them to default. So for example, if I just select the normal selector pointer, go ahead, come down here and click on Use Default, and it will automatically revert to the default pointer for Windows. This may not be the pointer for the Windows 11 though. This is just the default Windows pointer. So keep that in mind. For other configurations like a double click speed and pointer options, you're not really going to have a default button. These are settings that you change back and forth as you're using the system. So there's not one step, one click option to resolve this, but I'll go through this per tab. So in button configuration, make sure that switch primary and secondary buttons is unchecked. If you check this, your left mouse button becomes the right mouse button and vice versa. Double click speed, you can just test here. This slider just usually stays in the middle, and that is the default value. Click lock is usually disabled. It works on drag and drop. So instead of dragging and dropping something, you hold your mouse button on a particular icon, let it go, and then really carry it all the way to the other end and then drop it there. So this option is disabled by default. Then we come to pointer options. As I told you, the motion speed is set to the middle of the slider by default. Enhanced pointer precision is enabled by default. Please do yourself a favor and disable it. Snap to is also disabled. Pointer trails are also disabled. Hide pointer while typing is enabled by default. And show location of pointer when I press the control key is also disabled. You can turn this feature on, but I use Power Toys and it has a much better implementation of how this works. I'm not sure if OBS will be able to catch that. But yeah, practically these are your default settings. The same goes for the wheel. 3 lines is what the default setting was on my system. You can move it up and down to suit your preferences. And that's that. That's how you reset your mouse properties in Windows 11. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.